Well, this is a fantastic event, and we've been a supporter of the event for over 4 years. So we're very pleased and supportive of the program. We only recruit exclusively through UTSC. What we found is the program has a great crop of students who are well prepared, knowledgeable about what they're interested in and what the kind of skills they're looking to learn, and ask intelligent questions.
So I came all the way from Ottawa to this event just because the industry is really looking forward to the best and brightest students. So University of Toronto, of course, has some great recognition all across the country. And I'm having a great time talking with the students. I'm very excited to see what they're going to do.
This is an amazing event. Being a UTSC alumnus myself, I'd say that you are going to be picking from some of the best and brightest undergrads that Canada has to offer.